everybody, my name is Sophia, and today we're going to regrow plant these hot peppers, and we also got soil and bricks to hold the drainage.
To hold that drainage in that hole.
And we also got some peppers.
And we got the plant.
Yeah, and what is that plant?
Yeah, hot pepper plant.
Yeah,
it's all cool.
Yeah. And look at them, they're so cute, right?
They're so cute, Sophia. Yes, they are. Look at that.
I know, right?
They are so cute. We're going to have to harvest them already.
Yeah, harvest them. Yeah.
So we do want to transfer it into this slightly little bigger pot, not too much.
Yeah, not too much.
Yeah, but just slightly. And then from here we'll transfer it to something bigger.
Yeah, like something bigger, like, because it's like, this is like a little small.
Yeah, this is a big, this is where we're adding our potting soil.
Yeah.
And we're just using regular potting soil from our Home Depot. And it is the potting mix that we're using. Right, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sophia right now, she is going to put the bricks down there to protect it. Just you can put them all there.
Okay.
Because she's trying to cover the hole, and also it helps with the drainage.
Put one in there.
Yeah, I'll put all of them, Sophia. Because remember what we're trying to do is let the drainage go, but not the soil, right? We want the water to leave out the pot, but not the soil.
I can't.
Yeah, excellent. So that should be enough. And these are just regular bricks that we had from our house that we just broke.
If you're trying to do this,
yes,
this get like these the regular bricks.
The regular bricks.
Yeah, like the one over there.
Yes.
No, that. Okay.
Yeah. And if you just have some extra ones, we just cut them up, and that's what we did, right? Broken terracotta as well.
Yeah.
If you have some of this broken, you can just cut it into pieces and put it in there, right, Sophia?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, and then so here's your hole at the bottom.
Yeah, that's
Make sure
hole.
it's closed and it has enough drainage.
Or if you don't have like any pots or bricks or nothing, you just
put a little cloth.
Yeah, a little cloth under it.
Yeah, some people, you know what they use also, Sophia? They use what did they use? They use the coffee. Coffee lining thing that they use for the coffee, that white one.
Oh, yeah.
They use that as well. You can use that as well.
Yeah.
And it also protects it. Yeah.
Yeah, it also protects it.
Because you want to keep the soil.
Yeah, you want to keep the soil, but not the water.
Not the water, yeah. Because then it'll rot your roots.
Yeah, not the roots, but... So you know what to keep this... Because you really like to keep the soil, guys.
That's right.
But don't let the soil out.
Yeah, because then it's going to all be gone out and we're not going to have enough, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Yep.
So, using your beautiful hands here, if you can just grab the soil. And we did just use that potting soil, and we also used some biomix in it already. So, we'll thoroughly wash our hands already. So, Sophia, I don't have the little scooper with me, but if you can just use your hands, it's fine.
Okay, I'm going to use my pretty hands. It's like right there.
Your healing hands. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have fun with the soil. Okay, and just put it in here. Put enough. Just put some on the bottom. Yeah, there you go.
My hands are dirty.
We always have our hands dirty out here, Sophia, in the garden. Always. Our next video is going to be all about trees, huh, Sophia?
Yeah.
We have planted some amazing fruit trees. And I wish I could have done a video of me planting the trees. But we will be getting some more.
Is this good?
Yes, ma'am. That should be enough. Now, so what do you want to do, Sophia?
I'm going to put one more.
One more. Okay.
Actually.
Okay. And so do you remember how to stick your fingers in here and hold the plant and then turn it around, turn the plant around? There you go.
I think so.
There you go. See if it comes out. Okay, that should be enough. Try to take it out.
I can't.
Slowly. There you go. Oh my God, look at the root system. Is amazing, Sophia. Now try to put it in there. That's okay. Oh my goodness, that looks so beautiful. Now, you're gonna put more soil.
I'm gonna put it right here. I'm wet.
All around it, yeah. Keep putting more soil all around it. Try to center it in the middle. There we go. And then put some soil on the other side. We're gonna have to get those peppers out of there, Sophia.
we might do. This is not healthy for them.
Yeah. And do you remember who gave you the potting table? The potting mix table? Mr. Garcia gave it to you for your birthday last year. He built it.
Yeah.
So we're just starting spring, so everything's starting to wake up right now. So we live in Texas, Houston, Texas, Zone 9B.
No, but you know, there's also some people who live in outer space.
Out of space?
Yeah, they're astronauts.
Oh, the astronauts, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
they live in outer space.
They visit the other planets.
I don't know to visit Earth too.
Well, they have to come back to Earth if they're visiting other planets. How about we get back over here with our... Can you harvest these for me?
Yeah, I can pick them.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Where do you want me to put them?
Yeah, you can just put them there. We'll take them inside in a few minutes. Then carefully. Okay. So guess what?
Wait,
now you have to press it.
This one's like a perfect one.
Little pepper.
That looks like
Yeah.
a perfect one. It's so cute. Honestly, don't want to take care of it.
You just want to take care of it and not eat it? That's the thing about these fruits. We don't want to eat them after we see them all grown and pretty, huh?
Yeah.
They're so pretty. So now we're going to tap it, Sophia, down. We're going to tap it down like this.
I can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Like this?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
am I doing?
All around. Yes, ma'am. Make sure it's tucked
Was that
in
a
there.
train?
That was a train.
Oh my God! Sorry guys, we have a train in our neighborhood.
And then tap it down a little bit. Yeah, make sure there's no bubbles in there.
Bubbles?
Bubbles, like air bubbles. Like, yeah, make sure we're not going to have air bubbles. So now what we need to get is one of your watering cans and put some water in it. Go grab that water.
Should I have my tablet in on?
It's okay. Come on.
Control me here.
So cool. So what you want to do is hold this for me, Sophia, carefully, and make sure it doesn't stop from recording, please. You got it? Got it? Make sure you hold it correctly. Okay. Make sure you...
We're so sorry about that. Our phone, my mom's phone has died. It just died.
Yeah, the battery died.
Yeah, the battery.
But we did put some water.
Yeah,
we did put some water in here, so it is already... You can put some more if you want to, Sophia.
That's good.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna show you where to put it.
Yeah. So does it show that it's dripping some water down there? No?
I don't think so.
Okay. But you can grab this, Sophia, for me. Yeah. And let's go show them where it's going to go in your garden. And we're going to do another
It's
one.
heavy.
Yeah, keep walking. We're going to do another one right now. Sophia's going to do peppermint. So right now we're just walking into Sophia's rose garden or healing garden or secret garden. Whatever you want to call it, right, Sophia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think that's a secret garden.
This is going to be your secret garden back here. You think so?
We're gonna put it out.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it up here. Victor, Sophia's older brother, did this little nice potting thing.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute!
Aren't they cute? Okay, here,
It's
let me
so
move the
cute.
chair for you so you don't get hurt here.
Oh my gosh!
It is so cute. Good job, Sophia. Excellent, Sophia.
He's so cute!
That is so
Yeah, you
cute.
can actually see
The street.
Yeah.
So
Totally
we're
see
gonna
it.
build some other ones out
What is
here.
that?
Oh, it's just something hanging there.
It looks like cobwebs.
It's yeah, maybe, I don't know.
Alright.
So we're gonna fill that up, and
Yeah, we're gonna fill that whole thing up. It's
Yeah.
just we need 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 more to fill that up.
and we have plenty of those to do that. So we're gonna close this video up right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna close it up, and just because we're gonna do the peppermint next, the
Yeah.
peppermint
Oh.
video, right?
No,
Yeah.
what happened to that bunny?
Oh, I don't know what happened to this Mr. Little Bunny over here,
Oh, maybe it's the hurricane.
or the sun.
Or the snow.
The sun.
Or the snow.
The snow.
Yeah,
Probably
this is the-
oh, the snow probably cracked it, right?
Yeah, because the
Yeah.
snow is, remember the snow?
Yes.
What is that up there?
Ooh,
What?
what is that? I
That
don't
looks-
know.
That looks so scary, guys.
What is it? I
That
have
looks
no
so-
idea.
Okay, guys.
All right, let's close this up then.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Our next one is going to be mint.
Mint.
So we can make some mint and
Yeah.
take some minties. Okay, guys. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
following our channel.
Bye.
Bye.